With activating the Platform Analytics experience, you will automatically migrate the performance analytics widgets that have been created in the past to visualize your KPI indicators on dashboards. Those widgets were always stored in this PA widget list overview. All these widgets will now migrate into what we in the Platform Analytics experience call data visualizations. Moving forward, we will only use one chart building experience, the Visual Designer. And all configurations, whether they are reports, or these PA widgets, or any other, will be migrated into what we call data visualizations. In the core UI we had this disjointed experience. In this form view we have here on the screen, to create the configuration of the widget you used for visualizing your indicator. It was always perceived to be hard and not really user-friendly. Specific options were hidden, or not really logically placed in order or configuration, often leading to analytics chart widgets that weren't meaningful or insightful. Also, the fact that it was missing the preview of what you were creating was considered a challenge. You would need to place the widget first on the dashboard to actually see the data information output. Also from the dashboard itself, editing the widget would bring you to this same form view for editing the analytics chart configuration. Now, as said, in Platform Analytics experience we only have one data visualization component for your analytics charts. So after migration, those performance analytics widgets you had in the past will appear here in the library as data visualizations, with using performance analytics KPI indicators as their source. Upon click, you can directly consume them in isolation, or edit them from this Visual Designer. Of course you can also store them, share them, export, or of course use them on dashboards or even in some workspaces you might use. So remember, data visualizations are the only chart component you will be using for visualizing your analytics, regardless of the data source underneath. If it's using a different data source, it might come with more or less options. Of course, the indicator PA data source will enable all the predictive analytics capabilities around trending and forecasting.